Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we are talking about uh, bad wheel bearings and how you guys can actually diagnose bad wheel bearings and what they sound like. First off, let me tell you guys what. If you guys have if you guys know that you guys have a bad wheel bearing because you guys hear that whooshing sound when you guys drive over a certain speed, a lot of times it's like 30 to 40 miles per hour, you hear that whirling whooshing sound as you speed up to that speed, and then it gets louder when you go over that speed, and then it goes away a little bit. It's a little bit less when you lower your speed, and you guys know like exactly where it's coming from. To be honest with you, it's very, very, very difficult to know where it's coming from unless it's ridiculously loud. A lot of times mechanics will actually take they do sell mechanic microphones where you could actually hook up to each side of the vehicle to actually pick up which side is making the noise, but a lot of times you're not gonna be able to tell. All right, but I'll let you guys know how you guys can actually tell which wheel bearing has the issue, and it's pretty easy, but you're gonna have to do some work. Now, basically what you want to do is you want to jack up each side of the vehicle, and you're going to move the tire. Normally a wheel bearing with issues, your tire is going to be loose. What you want to do is you want to put one hand on top of the tire, the other hand on the bottom of the tire, and you're gonna move it back and forth. There should be no play with the tire. If there is any play with the tire, there is a chance that it is your wheel bearing, but it could also be a bad tie rod end. It could also be ball joints having issues, but normally those issues will make different kind of sounds. They will make clunking sounds. You will have issues with if you let loose, if you are driving and you let loose on the steering wheel, it will swerve to the left or to right alignment issues. But in most cases, if you guys have a whirling sound, you guys can actually check to see which tire actually is moving. There is a rare chance that you will have a couple or all of your wheel bearings going out at the same time. So that's a plus. If you guys are trying to diagnose this, just do that test, and chances are you're gonna have one wheel bearing with that issue, maybe two, but there is a very little chance you have four wheel bearings with the same issue at the same time. Now, normally what happens in these issues as far as the wheel bearing is concerned, and I'm going to give you a clip with what it sounds like as far as a bad wheel bearing or bad wheel bearings are concerned. As stated earlier, what's going to happen in these situations is the more you pick up speed, the louder the sound is going to be. It's going to be a whirling sound. Sometimes if it's the wheel bearing is bad enough, you're going to hear that sound even at slower speeds, but most of the time it's going to be very pronounced once you hit 30 to 40 miles per hour, and it's going to be as loud or louder if you hit 50, 60. You're just going to hear a loud whirling sound from your from the vehicle, from the tire, from the tire portion of your vehicle. You're not going to be able to figure out whether it's on the right side, left side. The back tires, like I said, that's gonna be really hard to pick up. A lot of times you're gonna guess which tire is making that noise, and with all the noises that normal car noises, normal traffic noises, normal driving noises, normal tire hitting the road, you're gonna have issues actually picking out where it's coming from. But regardless, in these situations, most of the time you're gonna hear a whirling sound, and that sounds like this in this clip.